Hello again guys, in this quick video, let's discuss how to fix WhatsApp couldn't link device problem. First, just open your WhatsApp application. To open it, and from here, you will see the three dots located at the upper right corner. Just tap this and choose settings. And here you will see a QR code of your WhatsApp account located beside your profile name. Just tap this. And from here, you will see a QR code of your WhatsApp account that you need for you to link it to other device. And if you are having problem linking your device, okay, what you need to do first is just make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to make sure that your device is compatible with the WhatsApp application. Okay, because some of the devices are not compatible with the WhatsApp, especially those older versions. And after that, establishing those connections and considering those factors, what you need to do is just scan the QR code using your phone to other device that you need to link. Just tap this scan code and just, okay, as you see, the camera has been opened to capture or to detect the QR code of the other device that you wanted to link. Okay, after detecting that device, you need to tap this option continue for you to be able to link your device. Okay, that's it guys on how to fix WhatsApp couldn't link device problem. Thank you for watching and keep following and subscribe for more video tips. Thank you guys.